Hey, it's Brad from Brad Cox Real Estate and Remax Unique Inc. Brokerage. So, you've decided to buy your first condominium. Stick with me and I'll go through a few tips. There are a ton of great things that are going to happen once you purchase your first condo. You'll experience pride of ownership. When you walk through your door for the first time after closing and realize that that condominium is yours, it's an indescribable feeling. You're going to begin to pay rent to yourself. No more checks to the landlord. Every time you deposit a mortgage payment, your principal is going to go down. You're going to begin to accrue appreciation on your condominium. Every time you make a payment, your principal is going to go down, and every week and every month and every year, your condo will go up in value. Okay, tip number 1, get your financing in order. Making the largest purchase of your life is scary enough without knowing how much you can afford. Call a mortgage broker. Mortgage brokers have access to all of the major financial institutions. They'll be able to shop you to all of them and find a mortgage that closely matches your specific needs. 20% down or more is optimal, but you can buy a property with as little as 5% down. Just remember, you'll be subject to CMHC mortgage insurance if you do that. I will put a link in the comments below to check that out, and if you have any questions, just hit me up. You're also going to want to have an idea of what all the little extra costs, etc. are. So let's look at a $600,000 condo mortgage purchase in the city of Toronto. Ontario tax, $8,475. Toronto tax, $8,475, except if you're a first-time buyer, in which case it's scratched, you're good. Commissions to the brokerages, nothing. One of the beauties of being a buying agent is that the seller pays all commissions. Property taxes vary, but on a 500 square foot condo, you're looking at about $1,500 to $2,500 per year. Maintenance fees. These will vary from building to building, but a good rule of thumb is anywhere between 35 cents and 80 cents a square foot. Remembering that if you have a parking spot, that is included in your square footage. Your lawyer, who's obviously very important and will coordinate everything between your bank, the other lawyer, etc., will cost you anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. Okay, now you know how much money you have to spend, and you know how much money you have to spend. Let's go find you a condo. The internet's fantastic for getting an idea of area, units, and prices. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go into the various buildings and have a look at different layouts. There are a few other things that you're going to want to make note of also. Amenities. Pool, concierge, gym, party room. Ask for a tour. What condition is the unit in? Scuffs, swollen flooring, appliances. Look around, make sure everything works. Which way does the unit face? Are you getting sun in the morning? Are you getting it in the evening? Understanding this is crucial to knowing what your AC and heating costs are going to be throughout the year. Here's an interesting one. If the unit's on a lower floor, look out the balcony. Make sure you're not above the garbage, because if you purchase a condo unit above the garbage, in the summertime, it's going to stink, and once a week throughout the year, you're going to hear a hell of a bashing around. Once a buyer and a seller have agreed upon the terms of a deal, the acquisition price, the conditional clauses, and the completion date, then a deposit must be submitted to the seller's brokerage within 24 hours or 1 business day of the deal. It's usually in the amount of 5% of the acquisition price. In Ontario, and more specifically Toronto, we use what is called a status certificate review clause. This clause is a condition whereby the buyer has the right to have their lawyer review the financial health of a condo corp before the deal goes firm. The buyer is given time to fulfill this action, and if the representative deems the condo healthy and in good standing, the buyer can then go firm by signing what is called a fulfillment of condition. I hope this has been helpful. Again, it's a scary process, but immensely rewarding. If you have any questions, please hit the comments below or go straight to my website, give me a call. We can do a Zoom, a Google Meet. I am more than happy to help any of you and all of you purchase your first condo. Oh, one last thing. If you subscribe to this channel, every few weeks you'll see that I'll feature either one of my listings or a condo opportunity that I think is a can't miss. If there is one that catches your eye that you're interested in, give me a ring. I will also have a link below when I feature one of these condos. You can go straight to my website, and then if you have any questions, give me a ring. We'll talk about it. The condo market's a bit soft, so there are opportunities. If you haven't bought your first condo, there's not a better time than right now. Okay? Talk to you soon.